What you got, Cade? Who's that from? Cade, who's that from?
Grandma.
From Grandma?
Yeah.
She sent you something in the mail?
Mhm.
What you got?
Volleyballs.
Volleyballs?
And football and balls. And football and balls.
What? Oh, there's baseballs in there too?
Yeah. Football.
Wow. What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
You love them?
Yeah.
Can you blow her a kiss? Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.